Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this crab pet and Garden game of Roblox summer camp update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the crab looks like, and this is the pet from the summer update. And this is not a new pet. In the last year during the summer harvest event, you could earn this pet, and now this pet is back and I'm going to show you the ability of this pet. Okay, before I show you the ability of this pet guys, I'm going to show you where you can purchase the pet. Basically you can get this pet from crafting the common summer egg, this one, and you will have 25% chance to get this crab from this egg. And I'm going to place it in my garden. Wait. Okay, and let's view the ability of this crab. Every 6 minutes goes to another random player and pinches them for their money and grants you shackles. Oh, a pinched player does not lose shackles. So this pet is good for farming shackles guys, especially for you who are still newbie in Grow a Garden. This pet is very recommended because it can help you farming shackles. Okay guys, and that's all about the crab in Grow a Garden game of Roblox summer camp event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.